Hi everyone, in today's video, I will guide you on how to repair and recycle a Dayou Devon 5951 multi-purpose lithium battery when it is burnt or unusable. This is a common problem with lithium batteries that have been used for a long time, but don't worry, I will help you handle it step by step to fix this problem. I will show you how to check the battery, how to handle the burning situation, and how to recycle the battery safely and effectively. Let's get started. First, we need to understand a little about lithium batteries, especially multi-purpose lithium batteries like the Dayou Devon 5951. These batteries are popular because of their long life, high capacity, and good performance, but they can also have problems if not used properly. The cause of a battery burning can come from overcharging, being dropped or hit hard, or even a manufacturer defect. If the battery is burnt or swollen, you need to handle it carefully to avoid danger. Before attempting any repairs, inspect the battery case carefully. If the case is cracked, torn, or bulging, stop using it immediately, as the battery may leak chemicals or explode. Check to see if the battery becomes hot when used or charged. If the battery becomes unusually hot, there may be an internal short circuit, which can cause serious damage. If you have removed the battery, inspect the battery cells inside. If there are signs of burning, rust, or punctures, the battery is no longer usable and needs to be replaced. If the battery is not too damaged, you can try cleaning the contacts that are covered in dust or rust. Use a soft cloth, isopropyl alcohol, or a soft brush to clean the external components. The lithium battery's protection circuit board helps prevent problems such as overcharging, or overheating. If this circuit board is damaged, you will need to replace it to ensure the battery operates safely. In some cases, you may be able to reuse the circuit board if it is not severely damaged. If any of the battery cells are burned or no longer able to hold a charge, you will need to replace them. Replacing battery cells must be done carefully, ensuring that the new cells are of the same specifications as the original battery to ensure compatibility and safety. After replacing the damaged cells or parts, reinstall the battery. Carefully check the connections to ensure that there are no problems with the wiring and contacts. If the battery is too damaged to be repaired, instead of throwing it away, you can recycle the battery components. Lithium battery cells can be recycled to recover valuable metals such as cobalt, nickel, and lithium. Find a reputable recycler for proper disposal. Lithium batteries can contain dangerous chemicals if not disposed of properly. Make sure you follow safety and environmental regulations when recycling batteries. If there is no recycling facility, you can take the battery to an electronic waste collection center. So we have completed the repair and recycling process of the burnt Dayou Devon 5951 multifunction lithium battery. Hopefully these shares will help you restore the battery safely and effectively. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to receive more repair videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.